Hello introverts. Let me share something relatable. You must have experienced this. In school, you liked a girl, but couldn't talk to her. You had questions for teachers, but didn't ask. You got invites to parties or events, but you didn't go. And even if you went, your friends or cousins were on one side, and you were alone on the other. Just because your heart didn't feel like talking much. This behavior often continues into adulthood. In the office, you might like someone, but still can't express it. You don't make many friends. And honestly, you may not even want to. Making friends requires talking. And when you talk too much, it feels like your energy is draining.
You might be wondering how I know this. The answer is simple. Because I'm just like you.
But introverts have a secret power. If you discover this secret technique, your respect will change. Your confidence will change. It will skyrocket. Chapter 1: Science of Introverts. Most people in the world are extroverts. Extroverts dive into every activity. They talk to strangers easily. They propose without hesitation. They make themselves visible everywhere. Introverts, people like us, don't enjoy overstimulating environments. Crowds, parties, non-stop talking, or being in the spotlight drain energy. Extroverts gain energy from these things. In schools and offices, extroverted behavior is rewarded, and that makes introverts feel limited. Science says dopamine is more sensitive in introverts. What excites extroverts can drain an introvert. Cortisol baseline is highly sensitive. Even small stimuli activate introverts. The frontal lobe is more active, handling planning and problem solving. Chapter 2: Quiet leadership. People often say a leader must be loud and extroverted, but research proves that teams led by introverts are more productive. Introvert leaders appreciate ideas. They ensure they are implemented. Extrovert leaders often dismiss them. Results showed higher profit and higher productivity. Introverts are naturally active listeners. That makes them powerful leaders. Abraham Lincoln, reserved, yet a strong leader. Bill Gates, introvert, built Microsoft with deep thinking. J.K. Rowling created Harry Potter alone. Introverts don't just survive, they dominate. Less talk, more depth. Chapter 3: Practical dominance. Introverts are wise, creative. If habits aren't improved, problems can arise. Ask questions. Answers deepen your understanding. Take 15 to 60 minutes daily for digital-free thinking. Turn silence into productivity. Write your ideas. Writing preserves knowledge and reinforces learning. Pretend like an extrovert when needed. Reflect confidence in meetings or presentations. Practice builds it. Use the internet wisely. Speaking to a camera is easier. It builds controlled confidence. Be in your best shape. Work on fitness, dressing, and personality. People naturally approach you. Being an introvert is not a weakness. It is a strength. You just need to adjust some habits. Introverts can be powerful leaders. What seemed weak is actually dominating force. Keep curiosity alive. Keep learning and unleash your power.